We started our business essentially doing these options trading for income webinars about 20 years ago. Over that time period, I've seen options trading transform people's lives. I mean, the success stories that we've seen have been absolutely incredible.
Before we get rolling here, just a reminder to please like and share our videos. Your support helps us to continue to bring you the wonderful content that we share with you each and every week.
Many people have been able to change their careers or retire and do the things they've always wanted. It's just a lot of great successes that we've had. And, I want to talk about both sides of options. You can make a lot of money very quickly trading options, but you can also trade them inappropriately, and you can also lose a lot of money very quickly trading options. That's why we've had this disclaimer here, and I've read this sometimes 3 times a week for almost 20 years. There is risk in trading in general, and there's certainly risk in trading options. Sometimes it can seem like you're doing really well and you're making a lot of money, but you're taking on a lot of foolish risks. So that's why I've read this over 20 years. It's imperative to know what you're doing. If you're going to trade options, you need to know what you're doing. Otherwise, you're putting yourself at risk. I've seen people follow other people, give other people their money to trade with, and just lose all of it. This happens because maybe you have temporary success, or maybe you've seen somebody on YouTube or sent you an email, and you just trust that they know what they're doing, and you just hope that you don't lose all your money. It's just not a very smart thing to do. If you're going to be trading options, if you're going to follow trade alerts, if you're going to give somebody else your money to trade options, you really want to know what they're doing. If you don't, you're at risk of losing that money. Regardless of what you eventually want to do and how you're eventually going to trade, it's really imperative that you understand this. Let me ask you this. A lot of people will trade options and they'll be like, I don't want to lose money. But there's something that's like 1,000 times worse than losing money. And that's the other thing, is losing time.